job is a dangerous place, but you already know that. That's why you come prepared with hard hats, goggles, respirators, or other necessary safety gear. With all this equipment, you still might have ignored one of the most commonly overlooked safety measures. You might not be safeguarded against heat stress and dehydration. Steady exposure to heat causes you to dehydrate, and dehydration can be a killer. Of course, losing the safety gear isn't an option, but keeping yourself hydrated with a regular rotation of water and electrolytes can counter the dangerous effects of heat stress, and that can save your life. In order to fight heat stress, first you need to know what you're up against. Workers who are exposed to extreme heat or work in hot environments run the risk of heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. These symptoms are bad enough on their own, but when you work in hazardous environments or with heavy equipment, then it becomes even more dangerous. How many accidents on the job can be traced back to dehydration? When you're dehydrated, your judgment skills and your reflexes suffer for it. Even something as simple as scaling a ladder becomes difficult when you're feeling fatigue, nausea, dizziness, or muscle spasms. Proper hydration may be the only thing between you and an accident that leaves you injured, paralyzed, or worse. Before you even start your day, ask yourself, how much rest did you get? How many diuretics and dehydrants have you had, like coffee and soda? What color is your urine? Seriously, the clearer, the better. This is a good indicator of what your starting level of hydration is, and no matter what, you should systematically consume a cycle of fluids and electrolytes throughout the day. Never wait until you're thirsty to get a drink. Remember, your body is always working, even at rest, and no matter what season it is. Dehydration is more common in the summer, but it can also hit you during cooler months, when water and electrolyte intake is often neglected. Make sure that you always monitor your physical condition. Wear breathable clothing when possible. Schedule heavy work during the coolest parts of the day when possible. Take more breaks in extreme heat and humidity. Avoid drinks with caffeine, alcohol, and large amounts of sugar. And always be sure you're getting enough fluids and electrolyte replenishment. Remember, thirst alone won't tell you when you're dehydrated, but by adding water and electrolyte replacement drinks to your safety gear, you can stop dehydration in its tracks before it ever happens.